Alright, welcome. In this tutorial we're going to have a look at how to use XLOOKUP in Google Sheets. I prepared this example with several numbers and now we're going to use the XLOOKUP function. The XLOOKUP function is pretty new in Google Sheets and it's an improvement over the VLOOKUP, because the VLOOKUP, the search parameter always needs to be in the first column, and this is not the case for the XLOOKUP. Alright, let's get started. The first thing you do is you click into any cell, then you use the equal sign, you start with writing XLOOKUP in capitals, and then you open up the brackets, and then the first parameter it asks you for is the search key. So let's say we're looking for 95. All right. And then we need to define the lookup range. So the lookup range is the column where we are looking for this value. This is column D. All right. Then it asks for result range. So result range is where we want to get the result from. Let's say we want to get the result from G. Right, I click on column G, and then it asks for missing value. So we can define a value when the function doesn't find anything. So the missing value, let's use quotation marks, should be not found. I set a comma, and then it asks for the match mode. And that is asking like how it should match the value. If you have 1, it will look for an exact match. If you would set -1, it would look for the smallest value when there is no exact match, or if you set +1, it would look for a bigger value if it doesn't find an exact match, and so on. So we just write 1 here, and then so we set a comma again, and then it asks for the search mode. Here we just enter 1 because 1 means it's starting from the first value. This is how to use XLOOKUP in Google Sheets. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If it helped you, please give it a like. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.